Hello everyone, I will configure port security. Okay, let's start. We will configure on port E0/1. Need to go to port E0/1. This one. And we need to enable it. Switch port security. This is we enable. And now we see what we have. Okay, this one I will talk about this very command for this one. Very popular for everyone to use it. Okay, now MAC address. We go MAC address. We have two options, this one and sticky. That one is we will assign by it manually. It's simple when we want this IP address. Sorry. We want this MAC address to for the port. We need to assign it. Okay, now we can assign. Dot. Dot. Yeah, this is the audio sign. Then we will see show interface 0+. No. Yeah, you can see this MAC address that we assign. Okay, now we continue. We want set violation. We now we start. Have 3: protect, restrict, shutdown. For protect, it means that it just block the unauthorized MAC address to communicate to the internal network. And for restrict, it will block the connection to internal network, and it show the message to on the switch. And for shutdown, it will shut down the port. Okay, now I choose restrict. see. You can see port E0/1 reset to restrict, and now it say it allow only one, it default allow one MAC address only, and currently it has this PC3, it connect to that port. Okay, now we are testing. We connect port 1 to PC2. It will show the violation message. Yeah, you can see violation security occur, and it shows the MAC address. Here's the MAC address. Okay, now we finish for restriction. Now we go to maximum address that below. E0/1 report security maximum. Can allow from 1 to more than 4,000. Now I add 2. We show security. You can see now port E0/1, the maximum is low 2. So when we connect to the other PC, it will know any violation because we allow two MAC address for port E0/1. We can now we don't see any violation, and now we show again. Current address will increase one more. Yeah, become 2 more. But now let we connect the port to another PC. It will be a violation because we set only maximum 2 MAC address for port E0/1. Yeah, now you can see the violation, and it's so MAC address. Yeah, this MAC address that connect to the port E0/1. Okay, now we finish for the maximum. And then one more, we use a sticky. It means that when we plug the PC to that port, it will learn the MAC address immediately. Okay, so we complete with security. Address sticky. Now we just another PC, this one. And we need to set the maximum to 3 because we add another PC. Okay, now we disconnect port 1 from the PC. Okay, it means that MAC address will add to the port. You can see this MAC address, and then we show running E0/1. Here you can see sticky, we have this one and this one. Now let's check PC1. This MAC address. This one. $5800 at the end. 800 29 66. This one. 50. Yeah, this is we use the sticky. You mean that sticky it although sorry, sticky means that it add the MAC address to the port when we plug to the PC directly. And this one we assign it manually. Okay, yellow 3. Okay, now let me connect it to this one. That one is the first that we assign. If we are working. Let's go PC3. Yeah, it's working. And now this one is the second below the maximum is 3. This one is will working also. PC2. It's working also. And now let's connect to the Windows 8. Windows 8 it will not working because PC1 it take one place from the Windows 8. It means that the place is already full. So now it over the maximum 3, so it will not working for Windows 8. Now let's connect. Okay, now we check. We cannot access the IP address. Yeah, you can see also on the switch. So it say that violation. Violation. You see the MAC address 000C 29 C9 59 86. This one. Yeah. And we go to Windows 8. It still cannot access. It still cannot get IP. Okay, now change the violation to shutdown. Config. Interface. So first one hot. Shutdown. Before we do that, we need to remove this strip. And now we set it to shutdown. Okay, now we set validation shutdown. The port will shut down. Now we go check the status of E0/1. So MP, you can see port E0/1 is so down. Okay, now our configuration is finished. If you have any questions, please comment on the video, and please subscribe my channel if you think that it is the good, and also like and share. Thanks for watching.